So, Tom, you built Siri to make people's life easier. In my opinion, Siri is the first consumer facing AI enabled application that is very humanistic, even till date, right? So, what do you think about today's AI? Are they staying true to that idea? Are they still very humanistic or other way around? What is your thought on that?
Yeah, today's AI has two branches. One is humanistic AI, in which it's there to help humans do what humans want to do better. So when we talk to Claude and we ask it, a problem we're trying to solve, and it helps us solve the problem, it's aligned with us. It's trying to solve our problem. That's humanistic AI. Then you'll hear from other AI companies, our job is to automate white collar work. And that's not humanistic AI. That's really about incentives that are more corporate or some other incentive. And so, yeah, and I think even the Siri specific branch of humanistic AI, which is all about how we making individual personal users more effective, more productive on their mobile phones. That is actually an unfinished journey. It's been over 10 years now. We started it. The conversational interface is still holding as the dominant way of doing this, but the promise of personalized AI has not been completely fulfilled. So it's exciting to see we're at the very cusp of achieving something that makes us all a bit more effective and smart.